in the mornings, as soon as the prayer is over, our girls indulge in one exercise to learn English. See, today's paper has come, and this is Tamil Selvi. Hi, Tamil Selvi. So, what she's doing is she's writing all the jumble words that she got in the paper today, and she has all her friends sitting with the dictionaries, and they're going to find the words, pronunciation, and the meanings. It will take about half hour for them to find find the words, pronunciation, and meanings. So I'm just going to show you how they do this. So these are the words for today. This is Chintamani. She's holding one dictionary. And look here, Empriya and Roja. Hi Empriya, hi Roja. So they have one dictionary, and more children are yet to come with their own dictionaries. Oh, what is it? Huh? H-E-A-V-Y. Okay, Empriya says that she found the first word. Let's see, H-E-A-V-Y. Okay, is that correct? No, Arthana. Heavy and Arthana. Huh? H-E-A-V-Y. Okay, so they found a word heavy. So right next to that word, Chintamani has written the word in Tamil, heavy, and now she is writing the meaning of it. And next to it, she is going to write the child's name, who found the word. So you can see here, she is writing M. Priya. So that means the credit for today, for this particular word, goes to M. Priya. So now they have to find the other words. So here they are mixing up the words to see if they can come up with the second word. Now one more girl has joined, H. Priya. Hi H. Priya. See, she brought her own dictionary. Where is your dictionary? Okay, she has her own dictionary. And you see some of the girls try to catch up with the news in the paper. And some girls there are with morning tea. They found another word. Which one is that, Edi?
Third, violet.
Third one, they say it is violet. Okay, what is the word? What is the spelling?
V-O-I-L-E-T.
Abdena, what is the meaning?
Color, uncle.
Color. Okay, write it there.
Now color is
So we have one more. This is Bhumi. Hi Bhumi. Where is your dictionary? Okay, so everybody has got different sizes of dictionaries. So some have old, some have new, some big, some small, but each one has. Okay, so they found the second word as violet. So now she is finding third word as the violet. Oh, I know the last word. Oh, the last word has the clue that I gave yesterday. You remember? Yesterday I gave one clue. யா இஆர் இருக்குல்ல, இஆர் இருந்தால் என்ன பண்ணணும்னு சொன்னேன் நான். எல்லா வேர்ட்ஸ் அப்படியே கிடையாது, ஆனால் அது பார்க்கலாம் அப்படி. புரியுது இல்லைங்களா? I gave them a clue yesterday that if there is a word has letters er, try to use them at the end as er. Okay. I know the second word also. Okay, I'm going to give a clue for the second word. Okay. அது வந்து ஒரு சாப்பிட்ற காய். It is a vegetable. Second word is a vegetable. அது ஒரு நம்ம சாப்பிட்ற காய். Believe me, this gets fairly intense on some days actually. Okay, we have one more girl joined. Hi Salome. Un dictionary nge adu unda ade. Oh, எத்தனை டிக்ஷனரிஸ் இருக்கு மொத்தமா? இன்னும் 3 இருக்கு. So that's their library. இன்னும் 2 இருக்கு. Oh, many dictionaries they have. Still they have 3 or 4 more are there. So pretty much every child can have their own mini dictionary to search for these words. This has been actually a very fun exercise. We've been doing it for the past 3-4 months, and girls' vocabulary has increased significantly. Okay, they're trying to find the last word with the clue I gave as ER as the last 2 letters. See, Chintamani here is mixing up the letters.
Correct answer.
She wrote one word and she's asking me, and I'm not going to answer her, and I'm going to tell her to look at the dictionary. டிக்ஷனரியில் பாரு அது எழுதுனேல்ல. ஓகே, HAMPER சிந்தாமன் எழுதிச்சு ஒரு வேர்டு. HAMPER. Hi Gayatri. We have one more girl. Actually, she is the one who is in charge of the board when we do the jumble words, but she's not feeling well today, so she is not here this morning. But she is very active in jumble words and solving Sudoku puzzles. Hi Gayatri. Is that correct? You have it. Okay. Enna the meaning enna?
சிப்பம் கட்டுறதுக்காக கூடை பெட்டி பெரிய கூடை திப்பன்னாங்க.
இப்போ அழுக்கு துணி போடுறதுக்கு ஒரு டப்பா மாதிரி வச்சுக்குவாங்க சில பேர். புரியுது இல்லைங்களா? அதுதான் ஹேம்பர்ன்னு சொல்லுவாங்க, அழுக்கு துணி போடுறதுக்கு. நம்ம ஹாஸ்டல் இருக்க அழுக்கு துணி போடுறதுக்கு ஹேம்பர். Okay, now they've already found 3 letters. They just have to find the second word. Did you all find it? No, huh? தேடுங்க. I gave them a clue that this is a vegetable. Tick.
கண்டுபிடிச்சிட்டாங்க.
என்னது?
GOURD.
G-O?
URD.
What is it?
கொடினக்காய். பூசணி.
See, இப்போ நிறைய காய்கள் இருக்குல்ல, சொரக்காய், பூசணிக்காய், அந்த காய்கள் இருக்குல்ல, அதெல்லாமே வந்து கோடுன்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. பிட்டர் கோட், வாட்டர் கோட். ஓகே, சொரக்காய்க்கு வந்து வாட்டர் கோடுன்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. எங்க பார்க்குற நீ? டீயா கிடையாது அதில். ஓ, வயலட் பார்க்குறியா? வயலட் இஸ் தெர் இஸ் எ வேர்ட். வயலட் வேர்ட் இருக்கு. வயலட் கலர் கிடையாதா? அப்போ டிக்ஷனரியில் பாருங்க வயலட். இதில் இல்லைன்னா புது டிக்ஷனரியில் பாருங்க. See here Roja is carrying one century old dictionary and she says that there is no word in her dictionary called violet. So we gave her a new dictionary to look at. So let's see if she can find what it is, what is the meaning of that word in Tamil is. Go. Gor. Go ir. Did you find it, Roja? Violet. VOI. அதில் கூட இல்லையா? Now Empriya is doing something. She is underlining the words to solve the final puzzle. Okay, this is where I come in to help them because sometimes they don't understand the clues. So I kind of help them to understand the clues and then we'll go from there, okay?